A linguistic dictionary, learner's Khasi Dictionary with English Khasi Index, written by a linguist, Father U.V. Joseph, and association editor, Father Devasya Vashail, and Father Augustine Kutala of Religious Congregation, the Salesian of Don Bosco at St. Anthony's College in Shillong today. The dictionary contains 1,312 pages with 10,000 headwords. The dictionary also contains akin words including prefixes and suffixes. The Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Most Reverend Victor Lingdo, was the chief guest, and former Dean School of Humanities of North Eastern Hill University was the guest of honor. The dictionary was published by Vendrame Institute Publications of Sacred Heart Theological College.
Sacred Heart Theological College, other faculties in and around Shillong, eminent invitees, academicians, parish priests, rectors, colleagues, friends, confreres. A very good afternoon to you all, though belated. As director of Vendrame Institute Publications, the official publications wing of Sacred Heart Theological College, Meghalaya, it is my joy and privilege to address this assembly on the occasion of the release of an important book by Father U.V. Joseph. Some time back, when I was contacted by the author and one of the associate editors to have it published under our banner, I was overjoyed because I knew the caliber of the writer and the associate editors. I knew his academic excellence, and so I knew the book would be of immense relevance, particularly because it was a Khasi dictionary. All that I was expected to do was simple, to provide them our logo, but I must thank the principal of St. Anthony's College, Brother Albert Longley, Father Joby Joseph, and all the others, particularly the head of the Department of Khasi here, Professor Rolling Stone and his team, for having accepted and taken all the initiative to have this event hosted.